In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a background video seamlessly across slides in PowerPoint. If you want a smooth, continuous motion video running behind your content while you present, and you don't want it to restart every time you change slides, this walkthrough is for you. First, insert your video on the very first slide. Go to Insert, choose Video, then this device, and pick the clip you want. Place it on the first slide and size it to fill the slide area if you want a full bleed background. Short, subtle clips that loop naturally work best for this effect, and keeping the aspect ratio intact will prevent distortion. Next, make sure the video sits behind your text and images so your content stays readable. Select the video, right-click, and choose Send to Back. This keeps your titles, icons, and other elements visible while the video plays underneath. With the video selected, open the playback controls. Go to the Video Playback tab. If you don't see it, click the video once to bring up the contextual tools. Now enable looping and continuity. Check Loop until stopped so the clip repeats continuously without ending mid-presentation. Then check Play across slides. This tells PowerPoint to keep the same video playing as you advance to the next slide, avoiding that awkward reset or flicker when you move forward. Set how the video starts. In the Start drop-down, choose Automatically. This ensures the video begins the moment you start the slideshow without any extra clicks, so your background motion is already running as you begin speaking. Here's the crucial part for a truly seamless effect. Duplicate slides properly. After setting up the first slide with the video configured, create your subsequent slides by duplicating the slide rather than adding a new blank one. Duplicating keeps the same video instance alive in the background, which is what allows the motion to continue uninterrupted as you progress. If you insert a brand new slide or reinsert the video, it will restart and break the illusion of a continuous background. A couple of final pointers to keep things smooth. Use a video designed to loop cleanly and keep your media file stored with your presentation so there are no link issues when you present. That's it. Insert the video on the first slide, send it to the back, open the playback settings, check Loop until stopped, and play across slides. Set it to start automatically, and build the rest of your deck by duplicating that first slide. You'll have a seamless looping background across your entire presentation.